Here's the city sewer. There's the start of our liner, the end, I guess you could say. This is 6-inch. I don't have the skid on because you can't see very well. And the 4-inch, when the skid's on there, it's a significant more 4-inch. I thought we'd look at that more. Which is a big long blue tube. We're into the 4-inch now. You can see more of the pipe. A little bit of deformation there, right around that corner. No big deal. That corner bunches up a little bit. And that's where one of the offsets were. See, it smoothed that out really nice. And there's where the other one was, kind of. So now we're back in the cast iron pipe. We're probably inside the house here. You can see that's your old front cleanout. And that's where the liner starts.